Welcome to Believe Industry Company. Today we are showcasing our fully automated box beam roll forming and seaming line, a complete manufacturing solution for heavy-duty pallet racking systems. Let's watch this primary production process in accelerated to time speed. It begins by unwinding heavy gauge steel and feeding it directly into the main roll former. Built for maximum durability, this forming section utilizes a powerful gearbox transmission and heavy-duty iron cast stands to ensure vibration-free profiling of the C-sections. After the straightener aligns the profile, the flying hydraulic cutter cleanly shears the material on the fly. Immediately, our automated material handling takes over. The conveyor moves the cut profiles to an overturn rack, where a motorized pusher perfectly aligns and feeds two interlocking C-sections directly into the seaming machine to form the enclosed box beam. Looking from the end of the line, you can see the securely seamed box beams exiting the seaming machine and sliding smoothly into the automated drop-down stacker. Looking back down the factory floor, you can truly appreciate the efficiency of the long conveyor and overturn rack system. This perfectly syncs the output of the roll former with the input of the seaming machine, completely eliminating manual handling. To finish the beam for racking applications, it moves to our automatic feed and connector welder. This system features a highly efficient double workstation design. While the automated system securely welds the end connector onto one box beam, the operator can simultaneously manually load and position the next beam into the adjacent station. This dual station workflow drastically cuts down cycle times and maximizes your welding throughput. Let's take a closer look at the finished box beam and end connector. Welds are deep, clean, and perfectly consistent, guaranteeing compliance with strict safety standards. Scale your racking production with Believe Industry Company. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.